Hey guys, as you know, we've got a huge range of Halanox furniture here at Past Outdoors, ranging from the lightest little tables there are to the biggest. This is the biggest, the table 4, and I'm going to quickly show you how to put it together because it can be a bit tricky. When you get it, it all comes all wrapped up. We've already unwrapped this one and set it up. But the base of it comes in 2 halves. Like all Halanox, it just comes apart and shakes into shape. And just making sure you got the 2 top pieces up, we put the base together. It's got the little detent there. Okay, this is where it gets a bit tricky. You need to make sure that you've got these facing down and out. Okay, you can just see that from the side, so down and out. And the handles that we're going to crank down and out as well. It's pretty tricky because if you set them up the wrong way, the table will pop out of joint. Okay, for the actual top, very similar to how the stretchers are assembled. You have 2 poles that we just slide inside the top. Feeding them all the way through, popping the end back in, and we just have them facing out. We'll see them in a bit more detail in a minute. We need to set those so they clip in to there. You'll see the little Halanox symbol on the outside. Again, that's facing out. Pop that over. Slide that around so it's in there. And we come around. We've got the 2 little cams, the same as how they do their stretchers. Just got to turn that around so the Halanox symbol faces out. And we just squeeze that cam and it locks it into place. Okay. So if you have a look closely, that's facing out and out. If they're turned up the wrong way, the tabletop will pop out. That is now strong enough for me to put almost all my weight on. No worries. If you've got any questions, just hit us up in the comments or reach out to us in the store. See ya.